This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Sexton. Water views and stunning renovations await you in the coveted gated neighborhood of Banyan Woods. Open the front door and you are welcomed home with beautiful expansive lake views. This home has been fully remodeled with brand new tile floors, all new lighting fixtures, new kitchen appliances and more. Fully remodeled as if no one ever lived here. This 3,100 plus square foot home offers 4 bedrooms plus a study, 3 full bathrooms, a flowing open floor plan, and floor to ceiling windows to capture and appreciate the tranquil lake view. The spacious lanai is ideal for entertaining with a grand, heated pool and spa in both covered and uncovered living spaces. This home features electric hurricane shutters, hurricane impact windows, plantation shutters and top-tier built-in cabinets in the garage. Banyan Woods is one of the most desirable communities in Naples, offering the amenities of a community room, fitness room, basketball court, and play area, with low association dues. Banyan Woods is in #X201C, Naples Lifestyle Living and #X201D, located in an excellent school district with easy access to downtown Naples, just minutes from 5th Avenue, Waterside, and the Mercato areas for fine dining and shopping. For more information, review the details below.